And it's a big day for Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah today. The High Court is all set to hear the plea filed by him in the Muda scam case. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has filed an appeal before the division bench of the High Court, challenging the decision of a single judge bench in connection with the Muda site allotment case that had come as a setback to him. The bench of Justice M. Nagaprasanna had on 24th of September dismissed the Chief Minister's petition challenging Governor Thawarchand Gehlot's approval for a probe against him in the case. Observing the gubernatorial order nowhere suffers from want of application of mind. The Chief Minister had challenged the legality of Gehlot's sanction for the investigation against him in the alleged irregularities in the allotment of 14 sites to his wife Parvati B.M. by the Mysuru Urban Development Authority in a prime locality. The Muda case hearing today is scheduled. Moving on to some other breaking news. Calling the Enforcement Directorate an enslaved directorate, Karnataka Minister and Congress leader Priyank Kharge on Thursday said that ED is nothing but a set of helpless puppets of the BJP government. The Enforcement Directorate has become an enslaved directorate. They're nothing but hapless and helpless puppets of the BJP government. ED's latest leaked fabricated report against Chief Minister Siddaramaiah in the Muda case yet again exposed the BJP's misuse of central agencies as political tools. Priyank Kharge posted on his social media platform X and said that the ED is acting without jurisdiction and has deliberately leaked a report meant for the Lokayukta to the media, which is nothing but a disgraceful attempt to prejudice the mind of the court, which is hearing the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's petition today. How come BJP for Karnataka state president's money laundering case details aren't out in the public? After the ED exposed the irregularities in the Muda scam case, this is what the MLAs in Karnataka are saying in support of Siddaramaiah. Listen in.
The Enforcement Directorate is now an enslaved directorate. It's very clear that these allegations that ED has put forth, supposedly to have put forth to Lokayukta, is politically motivated. And first of all, nobody knows how ED has the jurisdiction to speak on denotification, sale deeds, gift deeds, and other aspects of the thing. They are here supposedly here for money, to see if money was laundered. Since there is no proceeds of crime, they are not finding any breakthrough in the investigation. They have fabricated this and ensured it. They have leaked it to the Lokayukta and to the media. See the timing of this report. Tomorrow is the case with the Honorable High Court, and today they have ensured that it is in public domain. How come the PMLA cases, the ECIRs of Congress leaders are in public domain, but Mr. Vijendra's ECIR is not in public domain? Mr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma's cases, Mr. Ajit Pawar's cases, they are not in public domain. So it's very clear that ED is nothing but a mere puppet of the central government, and they're dancing to their tunes.